3, 2, 1, action. Okay. So, it's Aidan, and welcome to Aidan's origami. This is Roni's airplane that I made for him, but we're gonna make it anyway. Not this one, this kind, but if you do this to it, it can actually like do a. Okay, Mom, point the camera at the airplane. It will sometimes spin around. Like that. That's a quick example. And how to make it. This is like the easiest origami thing that I know how to make. First,
you take paper 8 by 11, a regular printer.
What I think of doing is actually what I think of doing is folding it hot dog fold. To make the boat, the first fold you do that's not the hot dog fold is actually called a hamburger fold. I'll show you that maybe a different. I'll show you a hamburger fold. This is a hamburger fold. The one that we just did for this is called a hot dog fold. Well, if you were in Miss Cope's class in Canyon Creek, which I definitely
Is that
was.
straight? That's not a straight line.
This
Can
is
you make
straight.
a straight line?
And I keep trying to make it straight right now.
One part and then a different part. And tape both sides. So actually, no, I don't need tape. Instead. I'm not really going to swim inside the...
Mm-hmm.
I keep trying to make this right, so please stand by. Okay, I think it should be right by now. Yeah, it is. I fold it in half first to make sure I can fold this the right way. Mom.
Mm-hmm.
And then do this. And then oh man. Then you do this.
Why are you messing up your fold? You have a fold already.
And when you're done, guess what you can do? You can make a telescope and put it inside, so it's like a shooting thing.
And then do this, and
go back.
And then do this. Flip it over and do the same thing with the other side, and you have an airplane. If you do these things on the same side. On this side too, it'll be a double-sided airplane. Or a train if you do it like this. This is the front of a train. If you do it like this. Could also be a spear or a knife, but let's test it out. That kind usually sometimes falls to the ground if you aim up.
And if you have a telescope and an airplane,
Big shout out to Roni's channel, Roni's Origami.
So if you have a telescope and an airplane, you can just look somewhere and you made your airplane be like this, and you use your telescope and try to find what you saw in your telescope.